Hi everybody, this is an update. It's going to be a short one because my occupational therapist would not be happy with me running around out here at all. So I'm kind of really bound to a very limited space for a week till I get to see my doctor. And that's okay because after that nerve block went away, it was pretty good pain. It wasn't anything out of the ordinary from bone on bone at times, actually, to be honest with you. And it's just the length of time that it stays hurting like that is what went on. But with good medication and having a good sling and all that, everything is working great. The right little exercises, I'm doing really well. So that's it for now. I probably won't be posting for a couple more days. Only because I dressed myself and everything else. I had to prove that I could do that before I could really go home. Well, I think they would let me go home, but they wanted to make sure I'd be okay. And yeah, I'm doing real well. So we'll see how it goes in a couple more days. If I have issues that are above and beyond, I'll make sure I write them down and let you know what they are. Oh, one of the things that I didn't take in consideration is front buttoning shirts. I don't have a lot of those. So front buttoning shirts and something a little maybe cooler than flannel. And since I've got one arm, I probably got these all buttoned wrong. But I did dress myself, and that's good to do that one arm and put the sling on by yourself. That takes a little bit of work, but you can do it. I can do it. You can do it. So that's all. Talk to you later. Bye.